An Binh Island, and this is the An Pagoda, and then we're gonna check a little around the Mekong Delta. Alright guys, so welcome back to our trip around Vietnam, and today this is actually one of the last stops I'm gonna be making in Vietnam, because then my visa will run out and in the next 3-4 days I have to go out of the country, and we'll keep going on and visit Cambodia. But before this, the Mekong Delta. I've just been walking around a little yesterday night, and so far it looks like a pretty nice region and a pretty nice place to be around. So hopefully we get to see many things, and hopefully this is things that you like and enjoy. And isn't that nice? So, this is a ride for today. Just a bicycle. Whoa. Here is pretty nice. They have like so many flowers everywhere, and this is actually pretty nice. It's a nice way to explore and get to see some. Oh, I guess there's a church here. Let's check this out. I've seen this already around. You get like these canals, and you get like a bunch of them, and in the middle you get the trees. So I think it's a way for them to make those fruits grow. Life in the Mekong Delta. Victorian. My ride for the day, which as you can see is pretty neat. Cruising around, and it's pretty damn hot, but it's pretty beautiful too. So it's only midday, and we've been doing nearly 20 kilometers on the bicycle, which is funny because in France I don't even own a bicycle, so it's pretty funny. I need to go and travel, and but that's pretty nice. I can see like you saw some stuff around, but going this small path, see Victorian, getting to meet some people. Hi. And I mean, wow, this is really nice bicycle ride so far, and so you get to see like, wow, all this stuff and some bamboos. Oh, and all those bridges with the boats. Everywhere there's something to see. So I keep on going, and if I see something nice, you will get the footage for sure. Alright, fellow travelers and backpackers friends, informations or maybe tips on my choices for the Mekong Delta. So basically, as far as the Mekong Delta is concerned, you have a few different options. So first one, you can like choose to go on the tour from Saigon, which is pretty much possible. You have tours going from half day in Mito to 2 or to 5 days, I guess, where you go Mito, Kai Bay, maybe Kai Bay Market, or Kanto Market, which is the biggest and the most famous. So you can pretty much do this. Second option, you can pretty much go by yourself, which I pretty much did. I just like went in Ho Chi Minh and took one of a Futa bus, which was only like 130,000, pretty cheap. You just have to take a motorbike to their office, and there's a bus for every hour, and you can pretty easily come here. So the choice was between basically Mito, Kai Bay, Vinh Long, or Kanto. Quick insight, basically Mito is where all the tourists, all the groups who just get the basic half-day tour go. So I wanted to avoid this. Kanto is the same, it's like kind of a big city, and I heard pretty much mixed feelings about Kanto or Vinh Long. The city itself doesn't have much to offer, but you get to go on An Binh Island. And wow, I guess this is the choice I made. So I pretty much went by myself here, stayed in a homestay. They provide free bicycle for you, so you can ride along the island and enjoy places like this. I guess that's it for today, and I will see you pretty soon for more adventures. Until then, take care, experience the world, and remember to just go with the flow. Bye for now.